Good evening. Welcome to Thumper's Lockpicking. I got a small little master lock here. Already had it loaded, so little master lock. Thought I'd throw this in there before I go to sleep for stock lock Sunday. So it's a tricky little lock too, by any means. Please, I don't want to be here all night. I need to go to bed. All right. Top of the keyway, 15 thousandths. Little click out of one, little click out of two. Problem is this little keyway, it's so hard to get into. It's so small. It's a click out of two, I believe. Something popped up. It really is such a small keyway here. I'm going to click out of two here. I wish I had something smaller than 15 thousandths. Might be here for a minute, so have your last cup of whatever. Bear with me. Try to get this thing done really quick. Haven't been posting a lot of videos right now. I think some of you guys know that I've been diagnostic. I've been diagnostic. I can't even say the word. Sorry. I don't want to talk about it. I don't think. That's why my hands don't work very well. Come on, guys. Come on, baby. I'll give you a score to WD-40 at the end. Click out of three. Click out of two. Here. One is way up there. Right. Four, three, two, one. Nothing. Click out of four. Click out of three. Click out of two. Counter rotation on one. Not sure if it moved or not. Anyway, been diagnostic. I can't say it. With bursitis. I got bursitis in my arms, my shoulders, and my hands. And it's kind of interfering with the thing I love to do. but I'm not going to give up. Went through MRIs all weekend, all week, last week. And I'm pretty sure that's what the doctor's going to tell me. I'm just waiting to find out if it's all in my blood or my joints, because I ache all over. And this just came up on me suddenly. Anyway, no worries, boy. I'm sticking in there. Alright. Start from the beginning here. Little counter rotation on 5. That's 4. 3. 2 is way up there. And so is 1. Starting in the back. Two. Small little mess while kicking my butt. Really hard to find the pins. Such a small keyway. Nice click out of 4. Damn it. Got a default set now. One pin probably holding me up. Come on, baby. Speak to daddy. Give you a square WD. Looking for some counter rotation. Got it on 2, I believe. Thought I had it. Wow. Unbelievable. overset something. There we go. Let me get it open. Oh man, long night, guys. Sorry. You see it's open now. Old master lock. I am not sure of the number here. Trying to see if I can see if there's any numbers on it. I'm going to put it this way first. See if you guys see anything. Focus. Focus. I know it's a little dark. I'm doing this at, what, 10 o'clock? Let me just look real quick here. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. It's something 30 W something 30. I'm not sure, guys. Tricky little lock, nice little master lock, whatever. Very stout. It's got some good pins there. Actually, this one you could actually take apart. I'm not going to even do it. So that's all I have for you tonight. I hope you guys are doing great. Hope you had a really good weekend and have a great week to come. All right. Stay safe. Lock picking is a sport. Don't put your picks in anybody else's locks unless you have permission. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.